Teatime Beauty products are all natural, cruelty-free, and they are so safe that you can drink them. Yes, drink them. I'm going to show you the demonstration. We have a provisional patent on this wonderful product. Watch how this works. Portion A, I'm going to rip apart from portion B and pour it into portion B. So, this is portion A. And I'm just going to tear along the line here. And then I'm going to tear along this line. And I'm going to pour the emulsion inside where my double layered tea mask is. Now this is great because it's so easy and you can give yourself a facial right at home. I'm going to mix it around a little bit. This way I can cover the entire mask with this emulsion. There's a white film here you're going to take apart, and this is just so that you know the difference of where your mask is when you unfold it. The mask is black, and it has crushed tea leaves and tea powder inside of it. And you're going to lay this on your face for 20 minutes. When you remove it, your face should be so much brighter. We love the 2-layered green tea face mask. We knew we couldn't make a company with just one mask, so we created several others, all made of tea. Single-layered chamomile mask, black tea foot mask, white tea hand mask, and we have more to come.